did you put that right there? Put them on a rock?
Yep, I'm gonna cook on it.
For the meat and for the meat?
Yep, for the meat.
Good. Oh, yeah. It's a big picture coming over here.
I'm gonna leave the skin on. It's gonna cook nice. Add a lot of fat.
What's all that black stuff?
That's just blood.
Ew! Are you gonna eat blood for breakfast?
Oh, you cook it.
Ew.
Yeah, that's fine.
Thank goodness.
Yeah.
We're gonna eat blood for dinner.
That's all. Just cut it off. No big deal. So I know you don't really like pepper too much, so I'm not gonna put any pepper on it.
Okay.
Hear that nice sizzle?
Yeah.
The duck fat's rendering out the bottom,
Daddy.
off the skin. That's why I left the skin on. So I'm gonna flip it over, and you'll see the deliciousness that's going on. First, let's turn it around. A lot of fat down there, cooking on the skin. Ooh, it's looking good.
Let me see.
So it's getting orange right there, a little crispy goodness. See, I rotate it. Cook the edges.
Oh, good sizzle. Right?
Yeah, it's looking good. Turn this beauty around. Look at all the fat. Oh man.
Delicious.
Yeah, it's gonna be delicious. Okay, so to cook the middle of this duck breast, I'm going to put a log behind it and stand it up.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Just beautiful.
Does look good, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Making sure I'm cooking it well. It's a thick piece of meat. So the inside will probably be medium rare. breast for a minute. I'll square it off first. You alright?
Yep. Just wanted to get rid of that stick so I don't trip on it.
Look at that. Skin on top. Oh, that meat looks good. Oh, look at that. Oh, medium rare, yes. Oh, beautiful. I'll give her the best bite. Without the fat. Trim that off for her. I'll give her that piece right there. That's her chunk right there to get started. Oh boy. Wild onions. Put a little on there. That's gonna be epic. Hey Sophie.
What?
Come get it.
Mmm.
How is it? Good?
Very juicy.
Yeah. I put a little wild onion on there for you. I missed that. Oh man. Dancing. The yummy dance. Time for my bite. A little wild onion. That's fantastic. Mm. Want another bite?
This time I don't want any wild onions.
All right, here you go. Here's a chunk of the skin right here.
It's really good.
Mmm. All right, so I'm gonna cut this up,
Daddy.
and I'll give you your share, and then we can eat. Trim off all the skin. Oh man, this is dynamite, huh? Hmm. I mean, look at that. Mm. I had to eat that while I cut. It's crazy. Want a little piece? Okay. Now it's good, huh?
It's gonna be better.
It's still hot too, it's steaming.
It's not hot for me.
Yep.
I'm going the wrong side.
Oh, of your burn stick you like to use?
It's raining.
Only a little bit.
Oh, wind's picking up.
Yep, the wind's picking up, you're right.
Uh-oh.
Hmm?
This is like really good
The
right
wind's
now.
picking up, yeah.
Really good.
Thank you, Father, for all your grace and gifts, never-ending power and splendor. So tender. Crazy. It's just so tender. Oh, amazing.
Very important.
Sit down. Be careful. All that dancing. Don't want to choke.
I did you.
Duck breast cooked primitively on a rock and just so tender and delicious. Incredible. It's been Mitch with the Native Survival School. And Sophie, my daughter. Check out my website, nativesurvival.com, and as always,
Enjoy outdoors.
that's right, enjoy the outdoors.
I
Good job.
remembered that part.
Yeah, I didn't even tell you to say that. That was good.
I thought you forgot, so I just said it.
Awesome.